How exactly does environmental education research relate to educators? Well, in lots of ways. Research informs practice, and practice drives research. Let's dig a little deeper. It all starts with an environmental education program designed and delivered by an educator. This program has an impact on the people involved, the learners. A researcher might evaluate the impact of an EE program or explore larger research questions related to the theories or techniques of a program. Researchers then publish their research as articles in peer-reviewed academic journals. The main audience for these articles is other researchers who build on the knowledge in the field to both answer their research questions and ask new questions. But sometimes researchers and students are involved in summarizing academic articles to make them more accessible to practitioners. They might also look at a number of articles and synthesize the research to highlight trends. The goal of summaries and syntheses is to connect the dots between research and practice so that educators can incorporate the latest research into their work, improve their programs, and increase their impact. But this isn't a one-way street. Practice also informs research, as researchers want to make sure their research findings will be relevant and useful. This could be through one-on-one relationships and interactions, or a larger professional network in which educators and researchers develop a research agenda for the field. One other piece of the puzzle, environmental educators might find themselves using research to make the case for EE to potential funders, policymakers at both the local and national level, and the leadership of a school or institution. Educators may also be researchers, formally or informally, and use the same process of academic research to study, learn, and improve. Ultimately, the work of researchers and educators is inherently connected. Researchers rely on practitioners to ask important questions that fill needs across the field, and practitioners rely on the results of research to improve the success and impact of their programs. Continuously learning from one another is one of the best ways we can improve practice and increase our impact.